Hi, it's Richard Fox. I'm from the Canadian Aviation Museum, Windsor, Ontario, Canada. I'm the project manager on our Mosquito here. So what you're about to see now is a second run on the starboard engine. This is a Packard Merlin 225. Horsepower in this engine is around 1600 horsepower. That's me at the controls of the engine start. A little scan of our Windsor airport and some of the crowd that came out to see. That's a T-33 in the background there with the canopy up. People like to come and sit in the plane. The propeller that you see in the video is not the real Mosquito propeller. This is a test propeller that we cut down for this run. On the side is a radiator from our Lancaster that we borrowed to help cool the engine. The engine runs on 100 octane aviation fuel, and it's coming out of that drum.
How much does it burn per minute?
The engine burns approximately about a gallon a minute on this particular run. We had good oil pressure. Before we start this engine, we had quite a complicated, long experience with scanning the inside of all the cylinders, doing balance test, compression test, and we ran oil through all the engine components, making sure we had good oil pressure, and then turned it over by hand, and then again with the starter. The engines had been sitting for quite a long time, probably around 60 or 70 years. But as you can see, it runs pretty runs pretty fine, and we're happy with that. So it'd be a great idea if you're in the Windsor area, or if you live in Windsor. It'd be a great idea to come out and see our museum, see our Mosquito. I think you'll be quite pleased.